Hi guys, today we're going to look at how we can push obstacles around using a character controller and Unity's physics system. Okay, we've got a scene with a character that we can move around. The character has a character controller component attached, which is used to move the character and handle collisions with obstacles and the ground. We've covered how to create a scene like this in our 3D platformer series, so take a look if you want to know how it was done. Or if you'd like to access the project files of previous videos, you can do so by supporting us on Patreon. You can find all the relevant links in the description. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is head over to assetstore.unity.com to find some obstacles to push around. We'll search for medieval boxes. We'll select this one. Then we'll add it to our assets and click Open in Unity. We'll find the new package and download and import everything into the project. Next, we'll go to the Assets panel and find the prefabs folder of the package we just installed. Then we'll drag one of the boxes into the scene view. To make the box a bit larger, we'll increase the scale to 1.5 on all axes. We want the box to react to collisions and physics. To enable this, we need to add a Rigidbody component. We'll click Add Component and add a Rigidbody component. We'll set the mass to 10 to make the box a bit heavier. At the moment, the box is marked as static, so we need to untick this box to allow it to move. Let's press play to see what happens. When the character collides with the box, it doesn't move and blocks the character just like any other static obstacle. This is because the character controller component doesn't actually apply any forces on collision. To fix this, we need to add a script that will apply a force whenever the character controller collides with anything. Let's stop the game and select the character in the hierarchy. Then we'll click the Add Component button and add a script component. We'll call this Obstacle Push. Let's double-click the script to open it in the editor. In here, we're going to make use of the on-controller collider hit method. This will get called whenever the character controller collides with anything. First of all, we'll get the Rigidbody component attached to the object we've collided with. We'll check this isn't set to null. If we've collided with something that has a rigid body, we want to apply force to push it away from the character. To work out the desired direction of the force, we'll minus the position of the character from the position of the obstacle. Then we'll remove the y element of this direction so that we only push on the xz plane. We'll normalise the direction vector so it has a magnitude of 1. Next, we'll add a field to store the magnitude of the force we want to apply. We'll mark this as serialisable so that it can be set from the inspector. Now we just need to apply the force to the rigid body. We'll use the Add Force at Position method to apply the force at a specific position. We'll set the force to the direction multiplied by the magnitude. For the position, we'll use the position of the character, so the force is applied from where the character is standing. We'll set the force mode to impulse, so the force is applied instantly. Let's save the script and switch back to Unity. In the inspector, we'll set the force magnitude to 1 and press play to try it out. Now the character can push the box along. For a bit of variety, we'll add in a smaller obstacle for the character to push. We'll stop the game and head back over to the Assets store. We'll search for Soccer Ball. We'll select this asset and import it into the project. Then we'll find the soccer ball prefab in the Assets panel and drag it into the scene. We'll increase the scale to 1.5 on all axes. Then we'll click Add Component and add a rigid body component. We'll leave the mass as 1 and press play to try it out. Now the player can kick the ball down the road. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. If you find our channel useful and would like to help support our work, you can find us on Patreon and Ko-fi.com. Thanks guys!